Hi, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. How are you? Okay, I just want to say thank you very much for the support of this movie. Thank you very much. I think you all consider as the first few group that watched this movie because this movie is not launched yet. Only start tomorrow night. Tomorrow. Correct. Okay, thank you very much. So today I brought some of the main lead here to say hello. Hopefully that you can recognize some of them. And also I got two new faces. Okay, let's start from the old faces first. Okay, Maxi.
Why old face plus here?
I'm very old face.
You're the oldest here. Hi everyone from Tampines. My name is Maxi and I'm back in our Boys to Men 4 as Aloysius. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Sergeant Ong and this time I'm back to try to tekan M. But as you know, reservist time they don't respect Sergeant like NSF days one. But don't worry, this time I got somebody to do tekaning for me. So thank you.
What's up, Tampines? Make some noise! Oh, you guys are crazy, I love it. Hi guys, Noah, and in A Boys to Men 4 I play IP Man. Very happy to be here because I'm also an East Sider as well. East Side man. Follow me.
East Side rocks, huh? East Side is the best.
East Side forever.
Okay, so let me introduce you this half new, half old. Hello. Okay, why I say this because actually he appeared in a few my latest movie also, long time ago. I'm sure if you watch, you know him. He's the gangster inside. After the good guy. Okay, hello.
Hello everyone, my name is Ryan and in A Boys to Men 4 I play the role of Tan Keng Long. It's a new reservist posting to meet the famous A Boys. And a later part of the movie you will see me always bin chao chao, face black. That one is me lah. Oh, thank you.
Okay, good. Alright, so for her, it's definitely a very new elements that in A Boys to Men. And I just want to say that, not purposely, not because of I want to purposely put female soldiers inside, but it's because that the armor unit really do have a lot of female military personnel. Okay, so Zhang Xingyi, her name in the movie. Okay, your real name?
Hi everyone, I'm Apple Chan, and in the movie I'm Ma'am Zhang Xingyi. So I help Sergeant Ong to tekan the boys. I'm the one.
Very evil. Dongyan, can I just start with you? Just a simple question.
Okay.
You mentioned that this whole movie you're working, the Boys to Men, they're called back for reservists in the armor unit.
Yeah.
Now, throughout the first three Boys to Men, a lot was about the characters, the human aspect.
Yes.
But this time, something new, and that's the big vehicles.
Yeah.
What was it like doing this movie?
Okay, this movie is actually very hard to do. Okay, compared to the rest of the movie. Okay, not only the A Boys 1, 2, and 3. Okay, this movie we have to work together, human and machine together. Because armor unit, armor infantry. So when you're inside the vehicle, and then how you coordinate everything is a lot of procedure. And seriously, if I am not doing this, if they didn't do this film, I really don't know how tough their training and how they work. So this is wonderful. Yeah.
Now, the last time we saw, this is for the cast, especially the Lao Jiao, the old ones. Now, we talk about, Jack talked about, of course, working in the vehicles, it's challenging filming, it's tough training, but you've had tougher before that, and that was when you all were training your naval divers. Which one is tougher?
I would say physically, Frogman is definitely tougher because at the time we had to be in great physical shape to look realistic as a naval diver, and we also want to make sure we do the naval divers justice. But this time, for A Boys to Men 4, I think it's more mentally tiring because we are out in the jungle a lot and in the vehicle, and it's very warm. But lucky for me, right, because I'm the platoon sergeant, right, so because I stand at the camera, cannot see right. So they always kena inside the vehicle, very hot.
But
he also so only this guy kena.
so actually, there are people who think that armor is very easy because don't have to walk, right?
Oh,
Because all drive car one, man.
Please say something.
Do you think so? Come again, sorry. Because armor infantry is all 坐车的，不用走路的吧？
哇，我跟你讲，这个是错的。Armor 真的是很凶， This one relax because he on top of the tank. This one in front of the tank. Actually, your Pisces so it's not even there. The one is the me, you know. Because there are 8 of us crammed inside. It's very, very hot. We bring all the gun in.
Yeah.
The saw, GEMG, Matador, you
Yeah.
know. And lastly, when there's 8 of us inside the tank, when the camera come in with the crew, wow, we're all... Yeah. So sometimes we can go in for 5 hours, never come out.
Right.
No aircon, no fan, so that is very tough.
Okay.
Become claustrophobic.
Okay, well, I want to speak to the first girl to join the Boys. What was it like being, the main girl amongst all the thorns?
Very stressful.
Very stressed because every day she come on set got 12 handsome guys. Very hard to
Correct. I think so. Hard to choose. Hard to choose.
Yeah, no, of course I feel very, very happy because all of them are very nice to me. So, yeah.
So,
You say as if you're forced to say that.
Yeah, we test her better. You must show them how is a SF female officer like. Okay? I want you to shout the command here.
来了啦。
Paris, Sunny, Ready? Paris, Sunny,预备 1, 2, 3, go.
Paris, Sunny, yeah!
Okay.
Oh, how about a big apple? Now, Ryan, you joining as well. I mean, you're not new to acting, but you are new to Our Boys to Men. You take the character, a new character, Along. What was it like?
I feel very 梦幻, how to say in English?
梦幻
Surreal.
Yeah.
Because they always don't believe. I always say on the stage, since young, I watched their movie until I 30 plus.
Oh.
So, no, sorry.
This line used very long already. This
But really, it's really from the bottom of my heart.
For this line, I also from young here until old already.
Yeah, then now when I see myself on screen with them, I feel very surreal. So I hope 20 years later, when my small kid grow up, then I can show them Papa was once a boys to man.
Wow.
Okay, thank you.
Did you expect this? Because I understand that you went full-time acting after your national service.
Yeah.
And that decision has brought you back to national service again.
I hope one day the ICT, if we film movie right, ICT can clock our reservists. Like that, you all can clock 4 or 5 already. Not bad.
Now, Tosh, for you, heavily involved in this film, because on top of being part of the cast, you also responsible for one of the music videos. They have been hearing the song "Boys Are Back."
Oh, okay.
What was it like being on the soundtrack now as well?
It feels very good because this time I write The Boys Are Back. Basically the lyrics and everything, I try to bring back some nostalgia because basically you guys watch us grow 5 years ago, 2012, we were a bunch of fresh faces, and 5 years later now, honestly, like what Ryan said, it's very surreal for us to still be standing here and for this movie franchise to be so successful, and it's because of all the Singaporean support. So yeah, thank you so much.
And okay, 5 years ago when you came out with Our Boys to Men, did you think that you will come this far and become the phenomenon that it is, Our Boys to Men, a franchise like that?
Seriously, 从来也没有想过 never. Because I think this is everybody's effort. And frankly speaking, without MINDEF support, without the professional military personnel support, it's very hard. For example, this year, this time, we because all the machine, human, all this one has to work together very well. So without their support, very difficult to film. Yes.
Many of your cast from Our Boys to Men basically credit Our Boys to Men as their platform that launched them into stardom. How does it feel now working with them 5 years and seeing them go across different platforms, growing to even bigger stars now? How does that make you feel?
No, I feel very good because I think for them, frankly speaking, since 5 years ago when I meet them, they are already a young boy, okay, and now they are all become men already, okay. And it's great that they love this industry, and it's good that they actually doing something big, and actually no need to depend only on us, okay. And this is something very good, and of course, I hope that Our Boys to Men still can become a platform for everybody, not only Chinese, Malay, Indian, anybody from Singapore, as long as you know how to act, if you are suitable for that role, I'm always welcome. Yeah.
Let's talk about the brand new movie, A Boys to Men 4. They're going to be watching it. They're going to be among the first in Singapore to watch this movie, this preview.
Yes.
What can we expect from the latest A Boys to Men?
You are going to see jokes. You are going to see, first time, female officer, how she handle the man in a different style. Okay, so this is something very new. Okay, and you are going to see platoon attack. Okay, and remember the platoon attack. Originally, we planned 2 days. At the end, we used 9 days to complete the scene because of the weather. Because
Cat one,
every time Cat 1, Cat 1 means what? Thunder, rain. Then army safety is the first priority.
Yes.
So usually once Cat 1, everybody got to hide. But sometimes very funny. No thunder, no rain, still Cat 1.
It's like that one, hidden lightning.
Then you cannot come out. You have to look at him, you look at me. So how? And then every day, flaming, every day, the whole budget, one day is 30,000 to 50,000. So if you didn't complete the job, means that the 30 or 50,000 is going to be waste. So this is my 痛苦. But I for actor, very short. Relax, take out uniform and then relax and
Okay, let's talk each one of you cast. Could you all just share best parts about doing this movie?
I think best part is because of we do how many 4 Boys to Men already. The first 3 we were like monks, no female cast. Finally we got a female cast, for the
Finally got something
It's
to
like
see.
a morale booster for the actor. Last time we do one very tired, nothing to see. But this time we got like a morale booster for
So tired, so pretend.
But the sad thing is, she never choose him. She choose Tosh.
Actually, very funny. They used to talk a lot of nonsense, So all boy, they one is like, every keep quiet. Don't know how to say.
Tosh, best part about doing A Boys to Men 4.
The best part about doing Our Boys Men 4 is being able to reunite with my boys and director Jack Neo, because I feel like every time we're on set, right, our chemistry and the vibe is just amazing. And like for the past 2 years when we were all working on other projects, right, I felt a bit weird because I really miss being on set with all of them.
Like something missing.
Yeah, so it's like a 团圆 fun like that when we come together.
Okay. Noah, how about yourself?
I think the best part of filming was my MMA scene. Yeah, because in case you guys don't know it, IP Man is a certified MMA fighter. Yeah. Really. But IP Man never beat 10 people. He cannot beat by 10 people. Yeah.
Right.
Man is one of them. So later if you want to watch how IP Man fights, right? Yeah. Watch A Boys to Men 4, you will know.
Alright. Apple, how about yourself?
The best part for me is being able to wear the uniform and experience army life, and especially on the tank. Because certain girl can get this experience.
Alright. And Ryan, yourself?
The best part of the filming entire period, right, is when I hear it's a rap. Because during the 2 months, 3 months of filming, right, very gangho, very how to say gangho in English?
Very troublesome, very difficult.
Very tough because during reservist, right, we only need to do 1-2 times exercise only. For this filming, right, because need to capture the best part of the scene, we got to do 10 times, 20 times. Some of the actors, when they join A Boys to Men 4, they quite big size. Until when we hear it's a rap, right, they become half of the size. So yeah, the best part is when I hear it's a rap. Thank you.
And how about yourself?
Okay.
Best part doing this movie?
I think for best part that actually we got a few songs that we used to sing on set. Why not we sing the song? Beside his song, we got one Hokkien song very nice one.
Okay.
And I think that this is good for the soldiers. 我们清唱啊，清唱啊。来sing 啊，ready？ 不会唱就唱，不会唱跟着哼啊。来，预备，Go！ 来，因为缘来做朋友，因为缘分是不能够强求。你是我兄弟，我的 brother， 还有什么代志讲袂通？因为缘才来把着你，
Yes, sir.
因为缘分我们才在一起。你是我兄弟，我的 brother， 你的一句话，恁白行到底。无管做去途中什么艰苦，
啊，不管过去咱能行过什么路，啊，不管什么情形还是什么时候，咱共进甲向勇，干，啊干一杯！ Ladies and gentlemen, a big hand for Michael Daniel and the cast of Our Boys Command. Thank you very much. Thank you. A big hand. Yeah. Ryan, Apple, Michael Daniel, Noah, Tosh, as well as Maxi. Thank you very much for dropping by. Thank you very much.
It's a wrap.
All right, ladies and gentlemen.